Hi there, I'm Natasha Antonioni with Austin Life, where we cover real estate, design, and all things Austin. Come on in. So we've been on a little hiatus because we've been very busy, and I'll tell you why. It has a lot to do with this house and a few others. So this lovely home was purchased by a client investor of mine who wanted to turn it into an Airbnb. So this is what it looked like before. We have been working on this transition and we are ready to go live. So if you're looking for a place to stay in Austin, you might want to check out Peabody Ranch. Peabody Ranch sleeps 19 people with one additional pull-out twin bed to make it 20. This property is so special to me because I got to be the realtor and the designer, my favorite situation. So let's take you on a tour. When you enter, you have a bedroom on the right and the left. What we like to do when we're designing Airbnbs is make sure that everybody feels like they're in a beautiful space and no one's being gypped. So we have a queen room here and we have a bunk room right across the way. Right off the main living space is the master. Come take a peek. So the master was designed with a family in mind. So you have your king bed and a day bed for one or two littles. We also updated the bathroom so that it felt more current, had better usage, and really went with the house. We wanted to make this bathroom really shine. One of the things that I love to blend in decorating is taking the modern or the newer pieces and blending with the old. So if you've seen me before, you've seen some of my round top journeys. So we did make a special round top trip just for this house, and you can find our yarn spools over here and lots of little details throughout the house that are old pieces that give it that authentic ranch vibe. So the kitchen started with a decent layout. We just needed to get rid of the yellow and make it feel more farmhouse, more current. We did open shelving, kept the island where it was, threw some paint on it, and added some of those farmhouse round top details. I really love using a lot of white space and then causing little dramatic moments. So we kept the hallway going up the stairs nice and white with some really strong focal points that felt like the farmhouse or adding that little bit of old into the house. To make it cohesive, we used the same tiles in the bathroom up here, which is shared by the 3 bedrooms. So the bedroom to the right, we have 2 queen beds. The bedroom to the left, we have 1 queen bed, and then we actually took the closets out of both spaces and made a little kid space. We wanted it to feel special and fun for kids. Obviously, these are not a fantasy scenario for a bedroom, but I think we made a good use of space in here, and if I was a little kid, I would want to hang out in here. My philosophy is for a short-term rental property, you want it to feel really cohesive. So in a regular home, you may add a different element to each bedroom, but when you're working on a short-term rental, you really want each room to be kind of at the same level. So we did do a few things differently. We added the splash of color in both of the bedrooms and the nice full-sized pillows with texture. Texture is everything. Texture is my friend, and let it be yours. And we wanted to give a sense of luxury by the headboards we chose. Even the rope details on the bed stools kind of give it that farmy feel. When it comes to designing a home, whether it's a short-term rental or it's actually a residence, you want to let the house kind of lead you a little bit. It can't be like, you ever see a woman in a dress and it just doesn't seem right on her because the dress is wearing her? So I wanted to pause before I made the design here and really feel the essence of this home and bring it into the environment. So I hope you can feel that. We had a little husband and wife action at this house. My husband, who designed our pool, also designed and built this pool in 26 days, mind you. So we just kind of completed the property. We have some landscaping coming in, but you can see this is an amazing space for people to lay out by the pool, take a spin in the jacuzzi, or build a nice bonfire over there. And you're in just stunning Dripping Springs, a great place to be, and there's so many fun things around here. And if you want to learn more about Dripping Springs, make sure to check out our Dripping Springs video. We have Dreamland right down the road, which is a huge park with pickleball and concerts and miniature golf for kiddos. There's the Time and Dough Cafe, and there's actually a little hidden street just down the road that has a bunch of cute little shops, as well as Texas Hill Country Olive Company. You feel like you're in Napa. It is an olive vineyard with wine tasting and olive tasting. Amazing. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please leave a comment below about what your favorite thing about Peabody Ranch was, and make sure to check the description below so that you can get the link to stay in this lovely home. Well, thanks so much. We will see you soon. Bye.